Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm being distracted because there is an air show going on at Uhuru Gardens, the new Uhuru Gardens. There's like a spectacle going on, like some 4 aeroplanes doing whatever, and it's amazing. So I'd left my car parked here, and then I've come and I just started seeing all this show, and I'm like, oh God, oh my goodness. Okay. No. That's what I'm wearing tomorrow. Shorts, top, of course, belt, and boots. So in here is Rand's clothes and my clothes. We are putting them in one bag because we're going for a short trip to Nanyuki with my son, his friend, and the mom. We are like 7 people in the car, we also have an infant, which is awesome because she's so cute. This is just very impromptu. I took my proper 3-day leave and then I decided, you know what, I've not been going anywhere, so let's do this small travel. And we've been looking up and down to like from Airbnbs, hotels, because we are always working on a budget. But I got a deal. I don't know whether it's good or not. I think it is. We're going to some hotel in Narumoru for 2 days, and I'm going to show you like what's been happening through the journey. I've hired a car, a small van. Is it a small van? It's a van, an old van, but I think it's working well because we're many. We just use one car instead of following each other with 2 cars. My work, I think, is in order, and I've left at least everything in order on my part. And we have a very good team in the office who are going to follow up for the 3 days that I won't be on phone. I'll try as much to avoid work and just enjoy myself, just relax. Actually, yeah, I understand where we are going. There are peacocks and horses. I love horses. Napenda farasi. Guys, I'm ready for the trip. I'm waiting for them to bring the car. So I'm thinking you're supposed to be here like 44 minutes ago to be exact, because we're supposed to leave at 8. Anywho, let's give a few more minutes and see, at least Ryan will have breakfast before we go. And I'm excited anyway, and this is my outfit for the day. Shorts. I didn't want to comb my hair, so I have kitamba on, and I have boots and shorts and the top. Yeah, if it gets cold, I have like a something to put on my shoulders so that I don't get cold. And I have a jersey, I have a blanket, like in case it gets cold on the way, I'm ready for it. So we'll show you through the journey.
Everybody's gonna have crazy violence at an all-time high. Do we have the energy to...
Hey guys, so we've made our first stop where there's a club called Lubies. I don't know why they would call it Lubies. And yeah, tumesimama kuhave toilet break. Wale wanataka chai wakunywe. Baby aote jua. And we're fine.
Bring the future back to life. I see a world of fear, a place where we could be free, but everybody calls me crazy. But I won't let us go down this way, so let's raise the frequency. What would it take to reach higher? I know it's in our fate. There's no more time to waste. I want us all to reach higher, 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 higher.
So this space has ostriches, horses, peacocks, swans. There's a dam, there's a swimming pool. It's just that the beds are issues. The rooms maybe need to be maybe put to a better standard. I don't know. Or maybe my expectations are too high. I'm not even able to show you the room, but I'm going to show you the rooms. But here we have the beautiful peacocks. The males are the colored ones. And then the others, the just boring ones, are the women. I know. The women are supposed to be more beautiful, but apparently it's the males that are really beautiful. Look at this. That's a male. And you see the blue there? That's a male. And the blue, whatever that color is, those are males.
And if you think it's too much, well, think of all of us. But I won't let us go down this way. So let's raise the frequency. What would it take to reach higher? I know it's in our fate. There's no more time to waste. I want us all to reach higher.
As you can see, I'm kissed by the sun. Guys, it was a nice stay here, and we're ready to go to our next move. So we've taken an Airbnb for the second one. It's a 3 beds. I think we're all going to fit. And yeah, it's been nice. The beds were so comfortable, right? Right? Tumelala vizuri sana. And this is my outfit for... That's my outfit for travel. The other place is like 10 kilometers away from here. About 10, 11. But we're going to pass through town. We're going to do a bit of shopping because it's a Airbnb. We buy just some, the normal things that we need for a night. And probably have lunch there. But we had breakfast here, yeah? Yeah. So it was nice at Misty. We didn't get to ride the horses. I didn't even get to show you guys the horses because maybe we should have come earlier or planned to stay 2 days. Probably next time because Ryan has enjoyed himself. And Ethan.
The beds were comfy.
The beds were comfy, I know, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so next time, we hope... Oh, and we saw the... What else did we see? We saw the
Peacocks.
ostriches and peacocks. But you saw the horses from far.
Yeah.
And then there's a camel which you didn't get to see. But we're hoping that probably, if we ever plan to come, we'll probably pass here and see... and enjoy the whole thing. But it was nice and it was reasonable because it was for 2 people per night sharing. It was 12,000 for 12,000, and that was inclusive breakfast and dinner. So it's half board, breakfast and dinner. But it's not cheap, the place. In case you want like fries and 2 sausages, considering where we are, it's like 300. Actually, just sausages 300.
Hace mucho tiempo que yo te vi y yo te he preparado para acercarme a ti. Siento mariposas si te acercas. Estaba bien, eso le pasa a cualquiera, dime la verdad. Si digo que te amo, me dejas. Si lo dices tú primero, me amas. Simplemente no quiero ser tu amigo. Baby, no quiero joder eso contigo. 'Cause Puedo ver el sol de todas maneras, encendidos en la noche como velas. Y digo que me tengo que ir ya de aquí. Estaba bien, eso le pasa a cualquiera, dime la verdad. Si digo que te amo, me dejas.
Guys, so we are in this beautiful space, Airbnb. This is our second day and we thought of taking an Airbnb. I think there was a discount because probably there weren't so many people taking it up, so it was 15,000. It's a 3-bedroom as you've seen, 2 are in suite. The van can fit 2 people. We have a nice sitting space, a smart TV, an outdoor space. In the evening someone will light the fire for us. Yeah, so we went to the supermarket. There's a quick mart. Ne quick mart can never either. Quick mart. We bought nyama. These a lot, so we're just going to cook one for lunch and for supper. Then we bought some bread for morning, maybe snacking. People would want to snack later on. Of course, lazima ununue tu mafuta kidogo. Unga ugali, we have a bit of rice. This is what we're having for lunch. Some sugar, some popcorn, which will make maybe for the evening. Some crisps, some sodas. We have this. And then, you guys need to realize that this space... Oh, we got some eggs. We got mala. Prestige margarine, you don't put this here. This space, they've already provided things like salt. We have coffee, we have a coffee maker. Matchsticks, toothpicks, you know, the essential things. In the bathrooms, there's shower gel, right? Did you see that? We'll check. But I think it's really cute. This is a cute space. I think everybody's enjoying this space. Imagine Mama Ethan.
But of course.
Imagine Jerry.
Awesome.
Auntie, Ethan.
Yes.
Ryan. Go for baby. Baby ako tu sawa. So, we're here to enjoy ourselves. Wacha tukunywe kashai kwanza. Well, I don't think there's so much else to show you, but we've shown you the space. Yeah, we plan to enjoy ourselves.
Si lo dices tú primero me amas. Simplemente no quiero ser tu amigo. Baby, no quiero joder eso contigo. 'Cause we've been on a roll. I don't wanna jinx it. Out of my zone. Feeling something different. Perdiendo el control. Me gusta un poquito, lo admito. I don't wanna jinx it.
Guys, I've tried filming. Kumbe sikuwa na film. So I can't redo what I was doing. I was just adding firewood to the fire. And as you've seen, there's fire there and we're just enjoying an evening cup of coffee for me. The boys there are playing FIFA. You guys are playing FIFA? Yeah, we carried the PS and some card games. You've heard from the experts, just say PlayStation. I'm not supposed to say PS because PS is for old people. And it's easier and shorter apparently. Yeah, so it's just a chilled out evening. People are resting. I've had a nice day, a restful day. And tomorrow we are planning to go back. Tomorrow we are planning to go back home. So I think we'll leave here around 11. Just drive pole back to Nairobi. But we have enough food apparently. We actually have enough food for in case people want more helpings for breakfast and maybe some lunch before leaving because it can get expensive buying food out there. So if we have food, we'll leave here around 11 so we'll have eaten. Yeah, and we'll show you our journey out.
Go. Weni wa nani?
Mimi ni wa mama yangu na baba yangu. This sunscreen, if you don't rub it in properly, I remain white. Anywho, guys, we're ready to go home, I guess. and she's come to clean up, so we're being chased away. Ran. We are ready to leave.
Cut me off.
We are ready to leave. How was your experience?
Nice.
Which one do you prefer, this Airbnb or
This
the
one.
hotel?
This one.
Really?
Yeah.
And you, Ethan?
This one.
This is better even if there is no swimming pool?
Yeah.
There you have it. So next time it's an Airbnb, not a hotel. Unless it's the coast. Okay, mostly the coast, they have a swimming pool.
No me dejas. Si lo diste tú primero me amas. Simplemente no quiero ser.
Guys, as you've seen the beautiful Mount Kenya and beautiful us and the people behind, Tumerudi, Nairobi. Nanyuki was awesome. We will definitely come back, God willing. So we prayed for journey mercies and we know God is with us. So see you in Nairobi.